everyone. Today I'm in the kitchen with award-winning chef David Hawksworth. Thanks for being with us. What are you making today?
Okay, we're gonna make a spiced pork spring roll, a little bit of fresh greens and a chili sauce.
You know, today's one of those days I wish the audience could actually smell what we're making because it smells delicious. Walk us through the recipe.
Okay, well, we've got some Johnsonville hot Italian sausage, a little bit of soy. We're gonna do a fast marinade on there and just quick stir around. We've got our wok nice and hot.
And you just have a little bit of oil in there.
Just a tad of oil just to get it all ready to go. All right, so we mixed in the soy, and then we've got the next three ingredients. So we've got green onion, add that in there, bit of garlic.
Yum, we love garlic.
And some ginger. You don't want to brown the garlic. The garlic gets bitter if you do that.
Now we're using the Johnsonville ground sausage, but Johnsonville also has links and patties. Could you use all of those products in this recipe?
Yeah, you could, but you know, this is perfect, right? You've got it all ready to go. There's no casing on it. You just open up the package.
Right.
It's a perfect product, nicely seasoned and ready to go. And what we're doing now, we're just trying to break up the meat and get a little bit of a caramelization going on the meat. We want that flavor with the caramelization will make it nice and tasty. And then we're going to add in some nice green cabbage, julienned up. A little bit of carrot ready to go.
Some color in there.
And some shiitake mushrooms. Fantastic flavor on the mushrooms. And then we'll put in a bit of fish sauce, lime, and soy.
And you've mixed all of that in there already?
All ready to go.
Okay.
And then I like things just a little bit of spicy, a little bit of kick. So I've got some red chili. You can use fresh, or you can use the ground. Let's put a little bit more.
You just took that up from 4 peppers to 5.
Yeah. And we're pretty much ready to go.
So quick.
And then I'm just going to add a bit of bean sprout. And then cilantro. I love cilantro. And then
I'm
we're
guessing
ready to
it's
go.
important that those are the last items to go in.
Absolutely, yeah, because the cilantro, you want it nice and fresh. The bean sprouts, you still want that little bit of crunch.
Okay.
And we've got our finished product right here ready to go.
Looks great.
This is what our spring rolls are going to look like because you're going to make the next one.
Oh, he's putting me under the lights here.
Okay, so just a little bit of water.
Now, is this something that you can pick up at any grocery store, or does it have to come from a specialty?
You know, they're pretty much here in Vancouver. You know, any sort of local store will have some, and you could buy a bunch and you can stick them in the freezer, pull them out whenever you want. Okay, there you go. You've got all the goodies in there. You've got everything ready to go.
So I'm guessing by the fact that you're letting me help you, you at home could get the kids involved as well.
Absolutely, yeah, it makes it a lot more fun. We've got the perfect roll.
Oh,
well
that's
done. There you go, easy.
Not bad at all. Super easy.
And then our finished product, we quickly fried them for maybe 30 seconds in some oil at 180 degrees Celsius, and we got our chili sauce on the side. Why don't you have a try?
Perfect. All right. Well, you get in there too. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
Oh, so good. To find out more about the great taste of Johnsonville sausage, go to betterlivingtv.ca/sausage spring roll.